Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, May 4th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. Overnight trading session was very busy with the data publications. The most important ones were unemployment rate and employment change from New Zealand. As you can see, unemployment rate is steady in the first quarter at the level of 3.2%, and the unemployment change is in line with the expectations of 0.1% as well. So pretty neutral data from New Zealand. At least they are in line with the expectations. What do we have here during the London session? The first thing is, as you can see here, we got plenty of PMI services and composite PMI data scheduled for release during all of the London morning. So we will terminate this data publication at 10 o'clock with the composite PMI and PMI services data from the whole Eurozone. So far the expectations are neutral, they are in line with the previous readings. During the New York session we got very important data as well. We got the FOMC rate decision, FOMC statement and FOMC press conference. So this data will be published at 8 o'clock, of course, but before that we got of course composite PMI and services PMI and ISM services PMI data scheduled for release 3:45 and 4 p.m. So it looks like a very interesting day today. It might be busy, it might be even hectic, so please be aware of the fact that today the market might show erratic behavior, especially if something will get out of hand or it will be completely different than the market expectations, for example, right? So plenty of data, plenty of things to cover during our technical part. However, we will start with the New Zealand dollar and then we will focus on the euro and American dollar. So let's start with the New Zealand dollar. Daily time frame chart of the New Zealand dollar is still moving lower, so the price is moving lower on this chart towards the level of 6,379. This is the technical support for this wave down. It is very dynamic, very impulsive down cycle, and it looks like the fight for the lower channel line had been right now terminated, and the bears are still in charge of this market. Please remember 6,379 is the next target for the bears on the New Zealand dollar. The immediate technical resistance is 6,502 and 6,527. Let's take a look at the euro to the dollar. PMI data might change our point of view on the euro dollar. However, that might be only temporary because the downtrend, the long-term downtrend, is still very, very strong, and the euro is falling lower during this period of time. This cycle, last leg, started on 21st of the April 2022 after the 1.0930 level, or the zone, the supply zone, had been rejected, and we got all week down. We got all of the week seeing euro trading lower towards 1.0472, and this is already very, very low. Historically, of course, very, very low level for the euro. Recently, we start to consolidate after we fall out of the channel. We start to consolidate. However, the target for the euro is still at 1.0343. This is the technical support. So today's data, if they disappoint, there might be another wave of the euro selling across the board. So please keep an eye on the lows from the last week, 1.0472, and the target 1.0343. This is already extremely oversold market conditions on a daily time frame chart. However, remember, this is a downtrend and the market might stay extremely oversold during this period of time because it's trending lower. So the RSI doesn't actually show that nicely this moments of the reversal on the during the trending market. So it's very simple to spot the market that is trending when the RSI stays for an extended period of time in the extremely oversold zone. It means the market is trending. Of course, trending down because of the oversold market conditions. So the euro to the dollar. Let's take a look at the another very interesting market: American dollar, Japanese yen. What do we have here? The market is still going up. Broke above the short-term trend line. Target was 130, broken. Local high 1031.26. Let me just copy this line and put it here. Right, so we got the same situation here. Will we break above this rather steepy line here? That was the same sort of the situation. If you pay attention what the market is doing, you can see the same sort of the situation here. Look at this. Perfect breakout, and boom, the market goes up. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. This is definition of the uptrend. This is a textbook example. So where is the next target? Unfortunately, my data doesn't show me more than 8 years, but I guess that the next round number of 132 is the easiest target for the bulls. So let's stay on the 132. Let me just put it right for you. 152. There you go. This is the target for the market. Please notice the fact we are staying inside the overbought market conditions, extremely overbought market conditions for the extended period of time, which means that our suspicion this is an uptrend is still correct, despite the fact that we of course have the multi time frame negative divergence. We are still trending higher. We are still trending up. However, please keep an eye on today's FOMC meeting, Fed's meeting, interest rate decision, and of course the comments from the Fed officials in the statement and during the press conference, because there might be a clues telling us, giving us some kind of a indication what Fed is planning to do next in the nearest future. And what is most important during this event is of course the market reaction on this data. So please keep an eye on this event today, 8 p.m. as usual, because market might get really busy, really hectic during this period of time. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.